Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my channel has a variety of everything. A lot of it's tools because after 40 years, I decided to throw away almost all my tools and refresh it with brand new ones. But today we're going to talk about the BUNN VP17. I already made 2 more videos on it and this will be the 3rd. And I have a couple parts here that if you're going to spend the money on the VP17, you want to get these parts. It's kind of confusing, so I'm going detail on these parts and show you what you need to look for. So we're going to go over to the website right now. I'm just going to show you this, and then we'll come back and unpackage this. And here we are on the Amazon website. This is where I purchased this from. This is what I want to explain because this is very confusing, and I had a hard time myself trying to figure this out because I couldn't find any videos or anything on this. Now look at the BUNN. This is it. This is the official part number right here from BUNN, the 20216.000. Okay, that is. Now, the official BUNN part comes with the splash guard. And if we go over and jump over to the BUNN site, there it is. BUNN does not make this without the splash guard. That's why I wanted to show you this. They have to make sure and get that splash guard with it. Now, when I looked at some of these reviews, you know, people are buying this and look, no splash guards. That means it's not from BUNN. So here's how you can assure that you get it from BUNN. There's all sorts of different prices on this. So if you want the official BUNN one, it's going to be a lot more. So if you look where it says shipper and seller, okay, you want to make sure this is from Amazon. So you're going to go over here and you're going to pick Amazon right here. Okay, that's what I did because you don't know if you're getting the part from any of these other sellers. For sure, Amazon, because they're really good at quality and getting the right product to you. Now I'm going to show you the other part, which was also confusing to me. I had a hard time figuring out what part it was. Now this is that flow restrictor right here. Okay, BUNN 011031.0001. It is expensive. Now it's $19. You can get directly from Amazon. Again, making sure that you have that Amazon seller. Now I couldn't find the Amazon was selling as all these third parties, so I didn't trust it. So I actually found it on eBay, the break part number for $15. And if that auction's still available, I'll put the search in the description as well. And that's for that funnel kit. So just gotta make sure. I mean, you could buy it directly from BUNN. Also, then for sure you have to have the right parts. But again, this I want to emphasize: make sure that you're getting the right part. I've seen other people get this part and it doesn't fit. So I'll make sure I'll put all these model numbers and everything in the description because, like I said, it was very, very confused me. That's why I'm explaining all this. So, you know, make sure you buy it shipped and sold by Amazon to get it right. Okay, let's go back to unpackaging it. All right, so this one here is the basket, which I got from Amazon. Like I said, it's very, very important that you make sure that you have the splash guard on there because that's the only way this comes direct from BUNN. It's the official BUNN part if it has that splash guard on it. So here it is here. It's stainless steel. And the other part you have to get is a restrictor. And these, I don't know why they don't come together, but you have to buy them separate. This one I had to get off eBay because it was half the price of what it was on Amazon. And basically this is just a flow restrictor to slow this down. From what I read, it's good to have it. Just you get a little better brew. And that's basically what it is here. Again, make sure those parts fit the exact same BUNN model numbers. Otherwise you're probably not going to get it to fit. And basically here it is here. Because I haven't seen any actually videos on detailing what that is. So basically what I can do is just going to flow it down in there. And forgive my cat. He's a noisy cat. I'm just going to put that in there like that. So it doesn't restrict by much, but a little expensive little part. You know, this was, I found it for $15. And this basically what I'm going to do is screw that on. Okay. And there's like that. All right, let me clean this up and I'll get my coffee maker forward here. Okay, so here's the original one that comes with it, right? These are, I mean, there's nothing wrong with these. I only heard of people when these go bad is that they'll clean their pot. Oh, I'm going to set this down. You go clean your pot, and that melts. So I've heard a few people doing it. Obviously, it won't happen to this one. But if you look at them, they're same size, you know, original BUNN parts. And that just fits in there like that. Like, so you're going to spend the money on that VB17. You might as well just upgrade to this stainless steel. And your filters go in there. And it may taste different with the metal versus the plastic. I've yet to, I'll probably do this tomorrow. I'll probably brew a fresh pot of coffee with this. Now, the only other thing that, which is in my previous video also, is this is a really good upgrade. Because that's the only complaint I have against this. There's no on-off switch. It's on all time. This is a heavy-duty switch. It has a pilot light on it that tells you can shut it on off. And it usually takes about 10 minutes to heat up. And then other thing that I added onto it, I have these here, and they work really well. Of course, the 3/4 cup is what I use, and those stick really well. I'll put all that in the description for all the stuff. But if you're looking for an upgrade, highly recommend going to this one, the stainless steel one. It is expensive, as you see. It's both these parts are very, very expensive. You know, I mean, replace the plastic ones like about $10, and of course that's $80 plus another $15 for that little part in the bottom that slows the flow down. All right, guys, have any questions? Put in the comments. Thanks for watching.